Hi there, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how you can open and send direct messages.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are at the dashboard of the Deberoo platform, and in this video you will learn how to open as well as send direct messages from or to other affiliates. So you will find the direct message feature inside the community. To open a community, go to the tab Community and click on Community. You will now be brought to the main page of the community, and you can find your direct messages at the top at the Envelope button. Click on it to get an overview of your latest chats. To check your complete inbox, click on the button Go to Inbox. To open a direct message, simply click on it to view the content. If you want to send a new direct message, click on Compose New. First, you want to select the user who you want to send it to. This goes by name. So for example, if I want to send a message to Colin, I would type in his name. Then give your direct message a subject. And of course, the content of your message. When you're done, click on Send. Your direct message has now been sent, and a conversation tab inside your inbox has been created. You now know how to open as well as send direct messages to other affiliates.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.